Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge will now begin. Can you clarify what you have achieved just this year versus in previous years?
So this year, we've worked towards delivering our product to more stores and more customers. We've also worked towards refining the product that we offer. For example, we've refined the flavors and the types of bars that we're working towards. We hope to be in 150 stores by the end of the year. And beyond that, we hope to start developing our next set of products, which include meals and others, which go beyond simply the impact bar, which is our core product right now.
How do you ensure that your impact through this project is long lasting?
So climate action and climate change is one of the biggest issues of our time right now. And we really feel that with 25% of pollution and greenhouse gases being produced by the agriculture industry, we feel that algae represents a strong potential solution to that issue. Our product, or our algae, emits twice as much oxygen as it consumes, which means it's carbon negative. So we feel that if we can change, or if the food industry changes to incorporate more products like ours, we think it's a real and viable solution to climate change.
How did you design your evaluation process to effectively measure your project's climate impact?
So we selected spirulina as an algae specifically as one that was carbon negative, that was easy to produce, and could go from farm to table in 8 hours. Beyond that, we quantified how much we can produce and how long it will take us to produce, and we looked at the size of the industry that we are competing in, and we recognize that it will grow at a projected growth rate of almost 6% annually until 2027. So we feel that the value that we present to the market is strong.
Did you engage any subject matter experts in the development of this project?
Yeah, so to develop our flavors and our products, we worked with food experts and chefs and tasters and people who were experienced in the food industry to ensure that our product was not just healthy and sustainable, but tasted good as well.
What effect has your project had on greenhouse gas emissions, and how was that impact measured?
So our impact is measured, as I mentioned, through the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide consumed and emitted by the algae that we grow and then put into our impact bars. The algae itself is carbon negative with a 2-to-1 carbon ratio.
Your time is now expired. Thank you, Enactus Queens.